Tutorial TV, your one-stop hub for learning everything.
Welcome to Lens Tutorial TV. In today's CorelDRAW lesson, we will explore how to work with colors using fields, outlines, and the color palette. In all this, at the end of everything, learning this will help you to make your designs come to life, to have exquisite design. Let's commence. Here, let me draw something here. I'll do this. Okay, this is my page. I want exact size, rectangular. Instead of me drawing manual like this, try to resize. Instead of doing this, I can just double click the rectangular tool. Double click. Automatically, it will create exact size of your page. Now let's work with this. As me want to design a poster. Okay, let's make it smaller. Than the page. As me want to design something like this. What do? And I need background for it. Let's make it bigger. Background color is needed. That's what this work. Filling. We need outline for each color and so on. You can access your color here directly as we learned previously in the past. You can pick color from here. Maybe my background should be this color, or this, or this, or this. This picking color from the color palette here. I can take any color I want here. These are different colors. And if I want color for my outline, let me make it bigger for you to be able to see the outline. If I want color for here to get these colors we learned in the past, just left click. If I need color for the outline, I don't want this black. Maybe I want something like red. If you look at what I'm doing here. Here I'm scrolling up and down here. You can scroll down here. While you come down here, next to it, you're able to open the color palette. White. Then you may see more color. Okay, as me, I need this blue from outline. What do? You right click. We did that in the past if you've forgotten. Right click will give you color for outline. Can you see now it will turn to blue? Right click for outline, left click for the filling. Now, this color like this may not be to my taste for background. This can be okay for texts, for a particular object. But if I need background, I need a mixture of color, blending, and so on. I may go from, so of using this, I may come here. I can look for color here. By my design, by my tool box here, I can't see. I may come here, down, look for any other hidden. Okay, I can be something like a bucket here. Click on that. Then it gives me this. Everything here. From there, I can pick whatever I want. But shortcut to this, instead of me bringing it up here, picking here, can rather use F11 to open the dialog box for all this. F11. Now this has opened the dialog box for everything you see up here. You can see them. Look here. You can see them here. Can you see them? Are they not the same? The same. Then from the dialog box, I can choose to my taste. The first one is uniform. It's equivalent to what you have in a palette here, under the color palette. Any color I want. From here you can explore. This CMYK palette. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. We also have other ones, RGB, red, green, blue. These are different color depending on the type you want. You can change till you get, but most time I prefer the CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black. That's the complete color. From there you can pick anyone you want from here. Let me see. You can pick my color. That's uniform fill. When I'm done, I want you to see the major work here. Or better still, let me close this first. Let me push it to one side. Let me scroll to one side for you to see clearly. To put in one side, then my F11 again. Push this on the second side for me to see what I'm doing here. This one color, I have taken my green. After taking my green here, I'm okay with that. But if I need more than that, instead of coming to this area, you also have the color number and that thing here. Then I come here. I may come here. This fonte fill. This uniform. This no color at all. Uniform fill. Fontaine. Here we have a vector pattern and we have a bitmap pattern. We have two color pattern and we have a texture before the postscript. Let's take the one, but let's come to the uniform fill now. This uniform fontaine fill. Here I may choose multicolor, two colors. You can see I have a green here, white here. I'm able to make it green, white, green, like Nigeria color. Here, let me double click here to have a node here. I've given a node here, and that's a green color. I click on that one here to give me, I change the color here to white. White color will be at the edge. Yeah. Then I have another node here for under white. My white continue. And then I have another one here to give me green. I change this one to green. Green. Let me say something here. I may not get this exact color if I'm choosing from here. The exact green. If I want to do the same color, what do I do? The same color with this. I use a color picker. Let me click my color here. This eyedropper. I click on this eyedropper. Then I'll come and click on any color I want. I want it to pick this color for me. Pick this one. It has picked this color. Can you see? Then to the edge here, to the end here, I'll give the same color as well. The same color. Now I have green, white, green. I can adjust the sharpness. I want the edge to be very sharp. And the white, remember I have a white here. I have white here. I have green here. I will allow two of them to be together to give me sharpness. Then I can click OK. This is my background. I go back here again. Remember the same thing here. That's what we have here. Let me click my work. Let me select my work. Then F11 again. And I may choose to rotate it. This rotation here. Choose to rotate. Can we do it here? You can give another color, another country logo. Can be in this way. Or rotate it from here. Here, under this fonte fill, I'm using this. That's what linear fonte fill. Linear. Here, I may choose to use elliptical. Can you see it here? All these are different parameters you can adjust to your taste. Adjust different thing here. Can you see? And when you come here, the same thing. Can adjust here. Adjust little changes here. And then I may try to use a conical. This conical cone. This conical, you understand it better. Okay, let me make everything to be one color. One color. Let me remove all the other color. Let me make everything one color here. And here to be maybe only two colors. Two colors. And white at the edge here. Or any color. Any other color. Okay. This conical. Like cone. And the last one here. Rectangular. And here, let me take this to 0 again. Back to F11. Okay. This gives you like cone. Okay. After having done that, I'm moving now to vector pattern. This vector. All you can do here to choose any of all this pattern you want. As I told you earlier, you are doing a background for your work. You can take any of all this. You can adjust. Okay, let me take this for example. You can adjust the feather here. You can adjust, and you can set all this until you get what you want. They are adjustable. Okay, and the next one there, we have this bitmap. Bitmap, pick anyone you want, depending on what you want to do. As a background, maybe background for your picture. After that, you can put picture at the front. This is a nice part. This is a nice pattern, building pattern. Or maybe you even drawn a house. Let me pick this one for purpose. Let me reduce this. I'm just doing a primary work, children. Now let's say with this building, I bring my door. Can I bring my door? These children, like primary children, primary school work. There my door, maybe the color of my door. Then I have my window somewhere. Maybe the window is this. And that window here, this. But the door, therefore the door should go higher than door. Then we bring in our roof. You can take a triangle for that. Polygon. Okay, let me use it. Can be a roof. Then look for that thing for the roof, or the color for the roof. You can also even use it from. Let's go to pattern. Let's go to F11 again. F11. Let me come to where we are the double fonte fill. Let me take only two colors, white and black. Black here and here. Or better still. Okay. Let me come to what, as I told you, just for you to explore and know what pick. Now I'm in texture. Texture may not do what I want. Let me look here whether I'll see what I want here. What I want. Okay, I think I like something like this for my roof. All I need to do is to rotate it. I think it's a nice building for children. For children work, children book, cartoon, and so on. Print this and give to children. They'll be so happy that daddy has drawn or mommy has drawn a picture for us. A building. Then you can add other things, other feature. Okay, let me draw under. Let me not tamper with this one. I think it will be good. Let me draw under rectangle and go back to our F11. From here, I've not touched this bitmap. This is where I pick the roofing sheet from. Click and you can even take brick from here. Brick for your building. Back there again. F11. Fonte fill, or two color, that is two color. You can take anything here, anything. 9 things are here. Let me take this for example. Back there again, F11. Okay, two color here, pattern fill. Let me, here, all this. You can also use all this to adjust. You can adjust all this. Even change the number of color, the type of design, depending on your work. Maybe you want to use it for your long company, your business, and your color is this color, or your color is blue. Change it to blue. Your color is green. Change to green. And this background color, you may also change it. Maybe I want somehow light green. Let me click here. You can choose your color from here. From here, you can pick maybe. Let me use this one. I drag here to around green. Then I pick the green to my taste. I want this one. Okay, light green. And I want this green to be deeper. The second green here, the first one, to be deeper. This is a nice pattern. I go back there again. Take your time and explore. I can't teach everything here. Then I come to texture. This texture. Under this sample, we have different things there. Sky, sea, color, and so on. Forest, depending on what you want. And you can change all these colors well. You can affect them gradually. The green softness, you can affect all the green within it can be affected, it can be changed, and so on. You can reduce it, the green, the red. Okay, from there, under sample 5, we have many things there. Then we come to sample 6, many things there, different things. I may choose this. I may even change the color to maybe bluish. Kind of what I've done. Can change it to maybe even a greenish, reddish. Then I'm good to go. This is all I can do here for now because of time. Now let's proceed to outline. Outline. This is the outline. You can see when you click, you can see up here to increase your size. Even you can change the shape or the type of outline, whether dotted, whether solid, whether you can change you can change it from here. Let's take any of them. Now let's move further from that. The same outline. Why not bringing out the dialog box for outline to be able to do more than this? I told you earlier, when you right click will give you color for outline. Right click. Now let's go further than this. Let's take the outline. Let's take the dialog box for it. For fill, dialog box is what? F11. Next to F11 is F12. F12 will give you outline. You can do that here. Or better still, if you don't want to use F11, you can do it this way. Here, this outline. Look at this shape here. Just double click it, it will give you the same thing. Or better still, just F12. Then, from there you can change color of your outline. This dialog box, change color, maybe to red. You can change the size to your taste. Is it in pixel, is it in yard or whatever. Then, the type, is it solid, is it dotted, and so on. Back to solid. And the corner, how do you want the corner to be? Look at it here, different corner. Should it be curve? The corner. Should it be position? Is it inside? What I'm doing here, except as I expand, you may not see clearly the corner. How should it be? Should it be this is a curve one? How curved should it be? And so on. You can adjust all this. Okay. Apart from that, is it behind fill or normal? Stretch and so on. You can adjust all this. Angular or is it to stretch and so on. Okay, you can see it to be curved now. Can you see? That's all we can do today. Thank you for being with us. Let me add one more thing quickly. I have this now. I have this. And I said here, maybe my color is blue. And I want this color here. I don't even know where to get it. I can use my eyedropper here. Click on my eyedropper. Where should the color come from? Maybe I won't need this color. I won't need this color. I click on this. Then I come and pour it here. Thank you for being with us today. If you find this video very useful or somehow useful, don't forget to like it. Give it a like right away. Share it and comment. If you've not subscribed to this TV, please kindly subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye.